If you're wondering how you can turn on or turn off the auto hide taskbar feature on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to settings, and under settings just tap on display. Now under the display settings, just tap on navigation bar. Now instead of buttons, just select swipe gestures. Because the auto hide taskbar feature will only be available when you use swipe gestures. Otherwise, this feature will not be available. Now after you select swipe gestures, then just go back and under the display settings, just tap on taskbar. Now if you scroll down, you will find the section of taskbar style. Just tap on it. Now if you select stay on the screen, your taskbar will be always on the screen. But if you want to enable the auto hide taskbar feature, just go back to settings and select auto hide. Now after you select auto hide, the taskbar will be automatically hidden when you open an app on your tablet. Just like that. And when you want to use the taskbar in an app, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and you will open the taskbar on your tablet. Now if you want to disable the auto hide taskbar feature, just select stay on screen. And after you select stay on screen, your taskbar will not hide when you open an app on your tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on or turn off the auto hide taskbar feature on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.